Hey y'all, welcome to the Fig Files. Today we're going to melt some more silver. Let's get away on it. Alright, this is what we're dealing with here. That's my pile of sterling that I've been buying off of eBay in lots for a pretty good price. Let's get away on it. Not that it matters too much. Hang on a second. Take off my glove here. There we go. Let's put this down for a moment. So we're looking at it looks like 153.4 grams. So let's minus out the 0.4. 153 grams because the Ziploc bag is probably about a half a gram. So we'll just minus that out. Alright. Oh, it's changing now, but we're right around 153 grams. Okay. Let's mix this up in some fluxes. What I think I'm going to do here is my plan. Sit up there. Pour this in here. Take out the chunks. Cover on there. Shake it up. All right. Let's get this in the crucible. The two bigger chunks I already threw in there, the spoon and the napkin holder. Alright. Turn this and warm it up. I'll put it in a minute. I'm going to turn it up. We'll start at 25 pounds. Most likely I'll bring it up to 30 pounds until it starts melting. Then I'll bring it down a little bit. No sense in using any more propane than I have to. Alright, let's give it a couple minutes here. Alright, here we go. We have about 30 minutes to 45 minutes wait, but in the meantime I'll show you how it looks as we go through, as the time goes. Yeah. You can see the water inside the metal. Gotta get all that out. Another thing you can do is put it on top of the furnace. Let it sit there, heat up. Which I will do, but I'm just warming it up. Now I know there's gold on a couple of my chains, my sterling silver chains, but it's just plate. When you melt gold and silver together, they're obviously going to connect together. That's why you send it in, to get it clean if you really want the pure silver and pure gold. But if you at least collect them all together, you have it. Anyway, we're getting close here. Alright, let's take a look. I'll show you the stage here. The flux is starting to melt. And the silver. Alright, the metal is melted. We just need it to drop down to the bottom and collect itself. Let's take a look. Get this heated. Probably another 10 minutes or so. I think we're ready to pour. Let's do it. Let's get this camera nice and close to it. There we go. Nice and close here, huh? Okay. Here we go, guys! See string in there. I don't know if that's steel or not. Alright, let's let that cool a moment. Maybe I'll fill a little pan of water so I can cool it quickly. Let's see here. Let me adjust the camera. What do you think? Think it's ready to come out? Let's take a look. That's slag on top. I need to beat that up, but we'll let it cool some more. Alright, grab some water. See the slag starting to come off? Look at that. Nice. Put this in here. There's your slag. Look at that. Beautiful. There we go, you guys. Hey, look at this. There's your gold right there from the chains. That's cool. It's all precious metal, guys. And then you send it in to get cleaned, purify them. Awesome. Let's let their dry a moment. We'll weigh it up. What were we at? 153 grams? The only reason I weigh is you don't know if there's any lead in sterling jewelry. Sometimes there's a little lead, which is horrible, but true. Excuse me. And when you purify your metals before you send them in,
then you'll know approximately how much you're getting back.
There it is. Okay, you guys, what do we have here? Oh, man. It's always heavier than you expect it to be. Look at that, 147.8, so about 148 grams. It was at 153 grams, so we took out, about 4 grams of impurities or lead. And that helps when you send it to the factory to get cleaned. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. That was a nice, easy one. We'll see you next time.